So in a facelift, I particularly like to use drains. It's underneath the skin, just above kind of the next layer, which is typically the muscle or the SMAS, and it helps prevent fluid and blood from building up underneath the skin. Or you can use Blake drains, and I'm a fan of the Blake drain. It's a silicone drain, so it's a little softer. In my practice, like I said, I typically use silicone round Blake drains. They are gentle, they're effective, and they allow me and my team to monitor the fluid buildup that comes out precisely so that we know that we are managing that appropriately and that we can minimize fluid and blood from building up underneath the skin. I usually take it out within about 48 hours. Depending on the volume that comes into the bulb, there's typically not much. So as a standard, I'll usually like less than 20 cc's within a 24-hour period, and then we can take the drain out. Now, a lot of people get kind of in their mind about drains, and I kind of understand that. And so we try to really educate our clients to take a deep breath. This is not going to be a torture chamber. It's not going to be terrible. That does not hurt. And we just gently, in a controlled manner, just remove and slide the drain out. And bam, we're done. It may feel a little strange as it's moving through, but typically no pain, definitely no excruciating pain. So, again, drains are super important in my practice. Other plastic surgeons may use other methods, but I like the drain and I like to take it out with in about 48 hours, usually at your first appointment. Remember, drains prevent fluid collection like hematomas. Now, this is bruising, but this is bruising with a collection of old, non pulsating blood underneath the skin. And that can do two things. That can put pressure on the skin that's been lifted and repositioned and cause it to lose its circulation, which can create a wound, and it can actually cause the skin to potentially die. And we do not want that complication. So the drains are helpful with that. Again, drains are super, super important